Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about separators used in Python programming language. There are three separators used in Python programming language. First is comma, second is slash n, third is slash t. These separators are used with print statement. Suppose we write two statements with print statement and we have to separate them, then we use these separators. Comma, separate the statements by a single space. Slash n, separate the statement by putting them to the next line, that means to the new line. Number 3, slash t. Slash t is used to separate the statements by a tab space, that means one tab space equals to 5 space. Okay, so let us see how do we use these separators in Python using print statement. You must keep in your mind, you have to put these separators in single quotes while using in print statement. So you open the Python. Here we are going to use interactive mode. So let us see. First I will discuss about comma, print, print. Okay, here you type hello. This is the first statement, and here only if you want to write second statement, then give a comma and then India. Then what you see here, after writing this statement, press the enter key. Some error is here. Print hello. After giving comma, type the second statement and close the parenthesis. So what you see here, there is a single space between hello and India. Again print, write hello. This is the first statement, give the comma. This is the second statement, India. Again give the comma. This is the third statement, I like you. Okay, now close the statement with parenthesis and press enter. Then what you see here, hello India, I like you. Hello is the first statement, India is the second statement, and I like you is the third statement. These statements are separated by a single space, so comma is used here. Now I am going to discuss about the slash n. Here write print, you write hello. Now give slash n. Okay, again you type India. Now close it and press the enter key. So what you see here, slash n is used to print the value from the next line. Again print hello, India. Sorry, you don't give the comma, you give the slash n. You must enclose slash n in single quote or double quote. Okay, after that you see here slash n, I like you. Now close the bracket. So what you see here, hello India, I like you, all have been shifted to the new line. It means slash n is used to shift the statement to a new line. Now I am going to discuss about slash t. This is used to give a tab space between the statements. print, print, give hello. Okay, after that in single quote slash t. Now India. So press the enter key. You can see there is a space. Again print hello slash t in single quote. Okay, again you give India. Again you give the slash t. Now you write I like you. Okay, and after that you press the enter key. So what you see here, there is a space between hello and India and I like you. This is the tab space. One tab space equals to 5 spaces. Now I am going to use these all three separators in single print statement. print, this is your hello, clear, comma, this is your India. Now use slash n. Okay, after that I like you. Okay, again you can use slash t. Now welcome, press the enter key. So what you see here, hello and India is separated by comma, so there is a single space. Just after India slash n is given here. The statements written after slash n are put to the next line. So I like you has been put to the next line, and there is a slash t between I like you and welcome, so there is the tab space. So in this way you can use the tab separators, commas and slash n as a separator. So thanks, keep watching. See you in next video with a next topic. Thanks.